Whatever you do during your high school years will follow you up. Whether if you did work on a business, try to grow mentally, physically, financially, develop yourself every single day. If you did work on it, guess what? You will carry that over after high school. You will start working on your business, mental, physical, financial. If you did not follow that path, you waste time, not focus on yourself a lot. Guess what? You will still have the time to get back, be better, get mentally, physically, financially, develop yourself. I'm not saying you can. What I'm saying is that whatever you do during your high school years carry over into your adulthood or real life, as people say. If you want to be better, you have to take mindful action right now, trying to get better. As you're literally watching this video, you should write down what you're gonna do next. How can you improve your life in whatever area you want? Because my goal in this YouTube channel is to help you mentally, physically, financially. I hope you took away something out of this video. If you did, always drop a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. This way for this video. See you in another one.